Would you like to make chicken ghee roast at home? We will show you how to do it. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we're going to make a chicken ghee roast. This is a quick and simple recipe that we're going to make. So let's see how is it done. So come on along with us. To make a chicken ghee roast, we need to take 500 grams of chicken, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 4 teaspoons of curd. Mix all the ingredients together and marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Take a pan and add 4 red chilies, add 1 teaspoon of pepper pods, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, light the stove, roast all the ingredients together. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Continue to roast all the ingredients together. Once the ingredients are roasted, we need to transfer it into a mixie jar. In the ingredients in a mixie jar, we need to add 1 piece of ginger, add 5 to 6 pods of garlic, add a little water and then grind the ingredients together. The ingredients are finely ground into a fine paste. Place a clean kadai on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot enough, we need to add 2 medium-sized onions that we have chopped and kept aside.
It sound right, boy.
Stir the ingredients together.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Add half teaspoon of salt. This will help to cook the onions faster. Stir the ingredients once again. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Mix the ingredients together. We add some more ghee. Mix the ingredients together. We add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder.
It sound right, boy.
After adding the Kashmiri chili powder, we need to saute the ingredients for 2 minutes. Next we add the marinated chicken. Mix the marinated chicken well with the rest of the masalas. Next we add the ground paste that we had kept aside. Mix all the ingredients well.
It sound right, boy.
Once we have mixed our chicken thoroughly, we need to cook our chicken. For this we need to cover the pan and let it cook for 20 minutes. We need to occasionally stir the chicken until it cooks.
It sound right, boy.
As you see, the gravy is now nice and thick. Once again we need to cover the pan and let the chicken cook. Now our chicken ghee roast is ready to be served, and we can switch off the stove and transfer it into a bowl. This chicken ghee roast can be had with chapatis or with rice, or it can be had as a starter too. It's really tasty and delicious. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know how it has come out. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making ghee roast pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe at home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon, and happy weekend to you too. Bye bye.